Let's talk about China, a country famous for economic miracles. They built cities overnight, lifted millions from poverty, and became the world's factory. But now, China's next revolution isn't about skyscrapers or trains. It's called GCV, Gross Commodity Value. GCV is quietly transforming how business is done, and it's shaping up to be China's next big success. So, what is GCV? No, it's not a new gadget or pop group. It's a new economic model, a way of measuring value that goes beyond what's sold in stores. While the world debates, China is building GCV from the ground up, nationwide. The GCV Industry Alliance is leading this charge, laying the tracks for a new economic system. This isn't a pilot. It's a full-scale rollout, moving at breakneck speed. The system is organized, compliant, and growing faster than anyone expected. China isn't just following trends, it's setting them. Why should you care? Because what starts in China rarely stays there. Remember e-commerce and mobile payments. GCV could be the next global wave. Today, April 12, 2026, we're witnessing the birth of a new economic powerhouse. China is rewriting the rules. Again. Let's break down what GCV is and why it's about to change everything. So, what exactly is GCV, Gross Commodity Value? Unlike GDP, which only counts what's sold, GCV measures the total value of all goods, sold or unsold, in warehouses or on shelves. Imagine a farmer with 1,000 apples. GDP counts only the apples sold. GCV counts them all. This gives a fuller picture of real wealth and production. GCV recognizes value in everything produced, not just what's bought. This shift encourages a more circular, sustainable economy, where goods can be traded, shared, or repurposed. In GCV, a product's value doesn't vanish if it's not sold for cash. It remains an asset in the system. China sees GCV as a way to unlock hidden value, empower small producers, and build resilience. It's not about replacing the old system, but adding a powerful new layer. GCV creates a parallel economy where wealth and opportunity flow more freely. It's a bold idea, and China is already making it real. Let's see how they're doing it. GCV is more than an idea. It's a movement powered by the GCV Industry Alliance. This isn't a government agency or a single company. It's a vast network with one mission: build the GCV ecosystem nationwide. The alliance turns theory into practice, setting standards, certifying participants, and ensuring transparency. Trust is key, so the alliance creates the rules and structure that make GCV work. Their three-tier leadership system, national, regional, and local, lets them coordinate strategy and adapt to local needs. This organization is their secret weapon, ensuring everyone moves in sync. The alliance provides training, tech, and support, building not just a system, but a community. From cities to villages, they're uniting pioneers who believe in a new way of doing business. The results? Rapid, organized growth. The GCV revolution is real, and it's accelerating. Let's look at the numbers. For a while, GCV was just talk, until the Q1 2026 Lumari report dropped. Lumari, an independent research firm, delivered the first hard data on GCV's progress, and it's staggering. GCV is now operational in all 31 of China's provinces, municipalities, and autonomous regions. This isn't just a big city experiment, it's everywhere, from Shanghai to Tibet. That level of national coverage is almost unheard of. Lumari also verified 179 certified GCV envoys, experts who educate communities and help businesses join the ecosystem. These envoys are the boots on the ground, expanding the network daily. And 23 merchants are already officially trading within the GCV system, pioneers proving the model works. They range from farmers to manufacturers, all creating value in this new framework. The Lumari report confirms the GCV Alliance has built a structured, compliant, and fast-growing operation. The machine is built, and it's running. The numbers don't lie. Let's see what national reach really means. Full coverage across all 31 provinces. This is a game changer. Launching a new economic system nationwide in a country as vast and diverse as China is a logistical feat. But this reach isn't just for show, it's the heart of GCV's philosophy inclusion. The alliance is bringing opportunity to every corner, from urban centers to remote villages. This isn't just for tech hubs, it's for farmers, artisans, and everyone in between. China's diversity, languages, cultures, economies, means the alliance's flexible three-tier system is crucial. Local customization under a unified vision is working. With infrastructure everywhere, onboarding new merchants can happen simultaneously across the country. The network effect kicks in. As more join, the system's value multiplies. The alliance hasn't just planted seeds, they've built a national greenhouse. Now explosive growth is on the horizon. GCV's success isn't just about systems, it's about people. The Lumari report spotlights two groups, the three-tier leadership and 179 certified envoys. The national leaders set strategy, regional commanders adapt it, local leaders bring it to life in their communities. This structure balances central vision with local flexibility. Local leaders know their communities, building trust and ensuring GCV fits real needs. The bottom-up approach means GCV isn't imposed, it's embraced. The 179 envoys are the special forces, rigorously trained, experts in GCV, tech, and compliance. They guide new merchants, provide training, and ensure smooth onboarding. Nearly 200 skilled professionals in the field shows the Alliance's commitment to quality. These people are the gears making the GCV machine run. Without them, GCV would be just another theory. With them, it's a living, growing reality. Let's see what that looks like in action. Critics called GCV a fantasy, until now. The Q1 2026 Lumari report is clear. GCV is live, operational, and thriving in China. 23 real businesses, farmers, craftspeople, manufacturers, are already trading on the GCV platform. Each transaction proves commerce can thrive on the intrinsic value of goods, not just cash. The system is structured, compliant, and transparent. Every merchant vetted, every transaction recorded. This isn't a wild experiment. It's a professional, sustainable ecosystem. The speed of this rollout is astonishing, changing mindsets, building trust, and creating new infrastructure nationwide. The debate is over. GCV works. It's here. It's growing, and it's built to last. China has pulled off a monumental achievement. The world is watching. Let's talk about why China is leading this race. Why is China leading the GCV revolution? It's a unique mixed top-down vision, bottom-up hunger, and a culture unafraid of bold experiments. China's leadership backs ambitious projects, while millions of entrepreneurs and citizens embrace new tech and ideas. The government's strategic bets, like high-speed rail and renewables, show how quickly China can mobilize. The GCV Alliance's goals align with national priorities, inclusive growth, sustainability, and tech self-reliance. Meanwhile, China's digitally connected society is eager for innovation. People adopted mobile payments and e-commerce faster than anywhere else. This tech-savvy population is fertile ground for GCV. There's a cultural willingness to move fast and think big. Let's build it and see. The Alliance embodies this spirit: structure built, envoys deployed, merchants onboarded, while others are still debating. Strategic vision, public enthusiasm, and rapid execution put China miles ahead in the GCV race. The rest of the world is playing catch-up. April 2026. The evidence is clear. China has launched a new economic engine. The GCV Industry Alliance built a national, compliant system delivering real results. GCV isn't just a clever idea. It's a practical tool for a more inclusive, resilient economy. China's flawless execution is setting the pace for the world. As GCV grows, its economic advantage will multiply, fostering innovation, reducing waste, and building wealth in new ways. The success of GCV is a wake-up call to the old economic order. The question isn't if GCV works. China has answered that. Now, who's next? Which country will follow China's lead? Will it be an emerging economy seeking new growth, a tech-forward nation in Europe? Or will the West step up to compete? The GCV revolution has begun, and the first chapter is written in China. The momentum is unstoppable. The world is at a turning point. The race is on. Who will write the next chapter?